everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some things to show you here from DIY Choose. I have some fun things here. Oh yeah, fun things. Okay, we'll get to those in a minute. I got a couple paintings here, and I have a couple of fun things. So let's do this. Let's show you these first. Okay, all right, here we go. All right, here's what a toolkit looks like. Looks like that. All right, so this goes with that. I can tell already. Okay. Let's look at this one first. It's just this cute little special drill painting. It's a church, pretty simple. We got a church. We got the lamp post with a cardinal on it. None of this back here, like all of this, all the way around, none of that gets drills. None of that does. So the lamp post, the wreath, the church itself, and the little tree. Oh, and then there's some in the snow as well. There's only 8 different shapes for that one. It's pretty simple. It's pretty, it'll be quick and easy to do. There's not a ton of drills on it. So let's look at the drills. I'll show you those. I knew that it was this one right away because of that, right? Boom, there, goes right there. All right. So we have a clear rhinestone, a very light blue, icy, a yellow, a red, a green. That's like a gray. And then we have some green marquee. That's the only specials are the green marquee that go here and that guy right there. Bam. All right. So like I said, that one's pretty simple. Okay. Next, what do we have next? We have this guy next. So this is one of these new like AI images. And I know AI is a whole new thing and there's a lot of questions about it and all that kind of stuff. But, until further notice or further review, it is what it is. So it's very pretty, all pinks and stuff, but look at this. Look at that. You know what that means? Slivers, 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 slivers. That whole bush here, this one over here, up here, all slivers. Ugh. I try not to get ones with too much slivers, but that one has slivers. Okay, this one has 7 different drills. Just 7. I'm going to assume it's going to be a lot of pink and a lot of green. So here's our friends. Here are our friends, the slivers, green slivers. You guys, these are so little. Somebody said they use their multi-placer to pick those up with. I haven't tried that. I mean, I just use a pretty placer, but that's kind of large. It kind of gets stuck on other things. I don't know. Well, I don't know. It's worth a try. Look at those beautiful pink shards. Those are so pretty. Here's some pink rhinestones. We have some of these fiery. I love these. They're yellow and orange and pink, and they're so pretty. Love those teardrops. Got some pearls. And we have some clear rhinestones and some green rhinestones. Look, they just have a number on the bag. 1, 2, 3. Hope they don't come off the bag. That's what I hope. I mean, it wouldn't be hard to figure it out. There's only 7 different things here. It wouldn't be hard. Anyhow, I hope they stay on the bag. All right, the numbers. Oops, I might want to put them little slivers away here. Put them in there. Honestly, this is one I probably wouldn't do for a while just due to the fact that it has all those slivers. I will avoid it probably. Anyhow, it's super pretty, but man. Okay, next. Easter is a coming. So I picked out an Easter kit here. I love doing these and hanging them around my house. They are fun. All right, let's get everything out of the bag. A base. Okay, and somebody just made a comment. It was Joe. Made a comment on a previous video. I'll tell you about it. So they come with these 2 different bases, and one is usually printed. And the print, like, look, it doesn't really go with that. It's not bad. This one kind of looks like a little Easter egg with some flowers. It's not bad. But they give you 2 of these, and we're always wondering, why are there 2? Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think this peels off. Maybe I'm wrong. I thought maybe this peeled and it was sticky. No, it does, but it's not sticky. Yes, it is. So that's sticky. It's like it's supposed to stick to something. To stick to this one, and it makes a double layer for this to go in. I don't know. But Joe just said you don't really need a double layer, which is the weird thing. I don't know. Joe said maybe they give you both so you can choose if you want the printed one or a clear one. It's a good idea, and I might do that because I really don't see the need for two of them. But this one is sticky when you peel off that backing, so it should maybe stick to that one. I don't know. I just don't see, oh, this has plastic in it. That's why, look, hello. That's why I couldn't get it to go in there at all. I don't know that it needs a groove that deep. You know what I mean? I can't get it to go in there right now, but anyhow, you decide. You do what you want with them, okay? So anyhow, it's this cute, cute little Easter basket. It's got 2 bunnies in it. Got some Easter eggs. Got daffodils and other flowers here in the basket with them. I just thought it was adorable. Adorable. It's just a one-sided deal. Let's see what comes in our bag here. What? We must have something else. Oh no, he stands. That's right. I'm thinking he's a hanging. All this time I'm like, he hangs, right? No, he doesn't. He stands up in his little stand there. Okay, I've never had one that quite that large that stands in one of the little things there. Anyhow, toolkit. Drills are regular drills. Oh wait, I'm wrong. Hang on. I think the specials are special. We get regular drills and we get some special stuff. Let's look at it and see. All right, so a variety of pinks, some greens, yellow, couple blues, couple browns, couple tans, orange, brown, and white. And then we have specials. Okay. Interesting that they have special drills with right. Oh, okay, I've had that before, I suppose. So we get these little claw-shaped ones. They're going to go in the daffodil. We have some yellow faceted. They're going to be like centers probably of flowers or something. Yeah, probably over here. We have some blue ones. Again, they're probably going to be centers. Oh, no, I bet you they're going to go here on the egg. Okay. Now we have these guys. And I know that's going to go on these flowers right here, those petals. Then we have smaller ones, and that's going to be the smaller flower petals. And then we have these pretty guys right here, and I think that's going to be some centers for something. Anyhow, center for the big flowers. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be in the center of the small flowers. All of the yellows. Yellow, 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 and all the small flowers. Oh, how pretty. So that will be fun to do. I have a couple of Easter ones held out. I might take these with me on vacation. Some of these small little things, I have like the bunny butt. I have this one that are Easter type things. I might take those with me on vacation and work on some stuff like that. That would be fun to do. And it'd be easy to, you know, find a place to work on them. Oh, I need these too. You come over here, please. All right. Then I have, oh, you don't go on here even. Hang on. Putting it on this box, and it doesn't belong there. The box is a separate thing. And I believe I have one of these already. I didn't think that I did, but I think I found it downstairs as I was cleaning, right, and organizing. I think I found another one. So let's check it out and show you what it is. Come on, let's go. This one has lights. And how do the lights go on? They just stick on the back, apparently. Yep. It's like the birdhouse one I did recently. So here's our little light pack. Put battery in there, little fairy lights, and they just go on the back of this. All right. Stick them on there however you'd like. The other one I got had a bunch of sticky stuff that you could stick them on with. I won't say, hang on, there's something else in here. I won't say that it worked all that good. Here we go. These little guys. It didn't stick all that well, but, you know, just get yourself, oh, these are smaller. No, they're not. Just get yourself some tape or something. Stick it on there with some tape. That's our hanging chain. So there's the stuff to put it together with. Haven't even seen it yet, right? There's where his chain will go to hang him. Here he is. Boom. He's so cute. I got to tell you guys, Liz, Scotty Dog Crafts, she cracks me up. She got one of these, and oh my gosh, she chuckled and chuckled and chuckled over this. And she's like, it's a gnome with a chicken. And she just laughed and laughed. She made me laugh. Her laughter made me laugh. You know how that happens? Cracked me up. But I do think I have another one somewhere. So if I do, one of them is probably going to go into my giveaway box. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I found another. I don't need two, do I? I don't think so. All right, here's our rhinestones. Oh, pink. Very light pink, a little darker pink. Let's go to red and a deeper red. How many reds are there? Goodness, there's 3, 4, and 5, and they're all different reds. Seriously? Let's look at those. They're all different reds. Okay, that one's orangey, I guess. Oh, okay, I guess they are all different. There's a lot of reds in his hat. Okay, okay. I concede. Yellow, ambery color, lemon yellow, clear, white AB. Love those. Charcoal gray, greenish gray color there, kind of. What else? I don't know what this is. A yellow? Kind of yellow. A green, a little bit of black. And we have some specials, some big gold ones. And a bunch of these. That's going to make those flowers. Pretty, 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 pretty. Okay, well, that's my little gnomey guy, my little gnomey with my chicken. That's my world, right? Gnomes and chickens. Why not? Okay, so thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you enjoyed. I will link them below if it is something you are interested in so you can find them. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope you return and watch more good content coming your way every day. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.